In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage employee payroll and track taxes in QuickBooks online. We'll start by getting your payroll foundation in place. After you log in, open the Payroll tab from the left menu. If this is your first time, click Get Started and enter your business tax details, like your EIN and legal address. Accuracy matters here, because QuickBooks uses this information to calculate taxes correctly. Next, add your employees. For each person, specify whether they're hourly or salaried, set their pay rate and pay schedule, and enter their tax withholding details from their W-4. Once this is complete, QuickBooks will automatically calculate federal and state taxes for each payroll. As your team changes, keep everything current under payroll, then employees. Select an employee to update their pay rate, adjust tax information, manage deductions and benefits, or make them inactive when they leave. Use effective dates when changing compensation to reflect when the change should apply, and always confirm addresses and filing status to avoid tax errors. When it's time to pay your team, click Run Payroll. Enter hours for hourly staff, then carefully review the preview. Confirm the gross pay, employee tax withholdings, and your employer taxes. If something looks off, back up and correct it before submitting. When you're confident everything is accurate, click Submit Payroll. Behind the scenes, QuickBooks posts the accounting for you, recording payroll expense, payroll tax expense, and payroll liabilities, so your books stay aligned without manual entries. To keep taxes on track, open Taxes, then Payroll Tax. Here you can see taxes due, upcoming deadlines, and filed forms. When a payment is due, click Pay to submit it. If you've enabled AutoPay and AutoFile, QuickBooks will handle eligible payments and filings for you, but it's still smart to review the dashboard periodically to confirm what's scheduled. For visibility and planning, head to Reports. The payroll summary gives a high-level view of wages and taxes. Payroll details breaks down each check. The tax liability report shows what you owe by agency and period, and employee earnings summarizes pay by person. Use date filters to match pay periods and export reports when you need documentation for audits or budgeting. Finally, reconcile monthly. Go to Accounting, then Reconcile, and match payroll withdrawals and tax payments to your payroll and tax reports. Confirm that payroll liabilities clear after you make tax payments. This monthly habit prevents overpaid or unpaid taxes and catches issues early. Follow these steps consistently, and you'll run timely payroll, keep taxes accurate, and maintain clean books in QuickBooks Online.